So hello guys, what's up? How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So welcome back in again consistent video. And as you know that I always record my video for my daily consistency because I want to be a fluent in English language. So that's why I'm always try to explain about my journey, try to talk about here and there. And I'm not recording. I'm just not scripting my videos and edit my video because I'm not interested on it. I'm simply just record my video. That's why my video is so boring. But yeah, I am recording my video for myself. I want to learn this language, so that's why I decided, yeah, I have to record and talk. And basically, I make my records in YouTube forms, in video forms, where I just watch my video, yeah, where I was and where I am right now. So that's why I'm always try to explain, try to talk about here and there, and try to motivate you all and try to guide you all and just give you the lesson how the normal people learn this language very easily, and what is the mistakes the people is just doing in his days, and why he's not grow. So this is all the things which I'm doing on my YouTube channel, and yeah, it's growing day by day. So the thing is that I just create a own channel which is very normal and which is really helpful for the people who really want to learn this language. Basically what I did, I just record my video and try to talk. Whether I'm making a lot of mistake, I'm not caring more about that because I want to learn this language very normally. How the people is able to learn, how the people is just able to articulate his words. So that's what I want to learn in my day. So this is a very important point, and I have been doing, I have doing that same thing for a year, so I have a good experience on it. Yeah, I'm not saying I'm so learned person, I'm so capable, I'm so fluent, but yeah, I'm making a lot of mistakes in my videos. But yeah, I'm able to articulate my words very easily and give my thoughts in front of people who is foreigner, who is not understanding Hindi language, so I'm capable to explain him. So that is a very important journey. That is why I'm always try to record my video because I want to be a fluent in English language. So that's why I'm always try to talk and try to be consistent in that way because it's a very important part in my life. And I always suggest you, if you really want to learn this language, you don't have to do many more things like the other people is suggesting you, and there are a lot of classes on a YouTube channel. Means many people suggest you many things, but there is nothing to benefit of that type of all the things. If you really want to learn this language, so I found a better way to learn this language. How the people, how the child, how the toddler learn this language. So that's the basic thing you can also apply on your day-to-day life, and you will also learn. You don't have to take burden like what I have to do this, I have to do means if the people is suggesting you something, you have to give a more time. But what I'm suggesting you, if you don't have a time, you can also learn this language. Means many people suggest you on a YouTube channel, if you really want to start your journey, you have to learn vocabulary, you have to learn English grammar rules, you have to make your environment with your friends, you have to talk on a daily basis with the family. But how it will possible? No one wants to talk with you. So in an initial phase, this is a very tough thing to start by yourself alone. So that's why I'm always suggesting you have to start alone. But the thing is that there is a one possibility. You have to start with your camera. That is a very simple thing. What I'm suggesting you have to record your video and upload on a YouTube channel. I know the first day and the second day is a very tough for you because I know that I have experience. First of all, I must say here, I'm suggesting you anything which is really very belongs to me. I'm not suggesting you a single thing here which is not my experience, and I did not do that type of thing I'm suggesting you. No, I'm suggesting you that simple thing what I'm doing in my day-to-day life and what is my experience on it. So that's why I'm always suggesting you that the same thing, and this is very important things because I apply in my life, and just you can see the result, and you can check it out my first video, and you can compare my today's and my first video. So this is a very important thing in your life if you really want to learn this language. Basically, if you are learning this in this way, you are learning passively. So that is a very important thing in if you're learning something passively. What you are doing, you are opening your camera, recording your videos, and that's it, and upload on your YouTube channel. That's the way you can learn, and you are just making your record. And always you have to analyze your video. I'm not saying you have to record for 20 minutes, 25 minutes, but yeah, it's a decent amount of you have to record for 10 or 5 minutes on a regular basis. And the second point is that you don't have to break your consistency because consistency is very important in day-to-day life, if you want to learn this language, I always suggest you, if you not able to record for 10 minutes, record for 5 minutes, and it's not possible sometime, I know sometime is very difficult, so record for 22 minutes. Don't break your consistency. If you break it your consistency, you are not going to learn any language. So don't break it, and if you break it by the chance, you have to start your own journey again, because consistency very matter in that. And I'm not saying I'm so much improved and I'm so fluent. You can see I'm making a lot of mistake in this video also. I made a lot of mistake, but yeah, I am consistent. I want to learn this language, and I want to just make a grip on it, and I want to make right sentences. Yeah, in this video and my all videos, there one mistake I'm making a lot of structurized grammatically mistake a lot, but yeah, I have to improve it, and I am just working on it and working for it. So that is a very important part in my life, to record and upload this video and any video. And also I want to improve my day to do talking, and I'm capable in front of any people. I'm capable to talk right now. I'm able to explain my thoughts. Basically, this is very important. I know I'm making a lot of structurized bad sentences, but yeah, I'm capable. If I want to explain something, I'm capable. And yeah, I'm day to day improving my videos. This is so hot today, so my shirt is totally wet. Okay, so I don't care about it. So the thing is that I want to say here, if you really want to learn this language, you don't have to do many more things. Okay, means what I am learning from my side, from my experience, if you really want to learn this language, you don't have to do many more things. That's the one thing I just learned from my videos. Basically, I am just following, the child is following, means how the child is learning any language. He's just listening from anywhere and just talking. That's it. That's the way you can also learn this language. So that's why I'm always suggesting you, if you really want to do that type of same thing again and again and again, you will learn this language very easily. You don't have to do many more things, but you have to just make consistency. Even you are making a lot of mistake, don't scary about it. Okay, change, rectify the things, make mistake and always try to rectify. You will improve day by day. That is a magic. You will just get it, and you will, if you are not getting my points right now, you have to just try at least for 30 and 60 days. You will see the result. And this is a very important part in your life, if you want to learn this language. And also, if you really don't want to take a burden on your mind, so you have to do that type of things, because it's very important. And in the initial phase, there's a lot of difficulties in my life, and I feel like, yeah, I'm not capable in future to talk in English, but right now I'm capable, and I feel so much good, and I'm improving. I'm not saying I'm so much improved, but yeah, I'm improving day by day. And just the thing is that, if you are recording in front of camera, you will get a fluency, you will get a motivation, you will get a believeness on your mind, in yourself. So that is a very important thing. You have to learn it, and you will learn it. So that is the thing, that is the way, and that is the very easiest way to learn without anxious about anything. Just do it for a 1 year, and you will be fluent like me. Means you are making mistake, but yeah, you don't care about it. You feel so much confident at time. You feel so much, yeah, I'm something, and that the person really appreciates your efforts that time. Means if I'm going to talk in front of any people, no one criticizes me, because he don't see, or she doesn't see my vocabularies, my grammatical mistake. She is caring about, he is caring about, if he is focusing about focusing into my, what I want to talk, what is my thoughts. That's the way you can learn. That's the how I learning in my day-to-day life. This is a very simple way to learn this language. And if you are thinking the another way, is nothing. First, the other people is suggesting you the same thing, but the thing is that he suggests you lot of things. So if you really want to go with him, you have to do lot of time, you have to just give lot of time, you have to give lot of effort that there. But I must say here, if you really want to learn English language simply to talk in front of any people, why you need to do that type of all the things? I'm suggesting you have to talk. That's it, because it's a very important part, it's a very important thing. If you are doing that type of same thing again and again, you learn it. So I hope this video is really helpful for you, and I hope this video you will understand. And if I'm making any mistake in this video and any video, let me know, because you are the only people who just suggest me, and I'm also a learner. And I started my YouTube channel just because of I want to learn this language. So this is my only motto. So I also I have a beliefness, if I'm doing same thing again and again, I will learn it. So that's for it. And see you in the next video. Take care of yourself and family. Bye.